Hey guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit different than we typically do. I'm just going to do a basic unboxing. I've been pretty busy this week, so I figured I would unbox this RTX 3080 SUPRIM X. So I was lucky enough to get this on Tuesday. I went out to Micro Center, waited in line for like 4 hours, and since I was first in line, they end up having inventory for a lot of the RTX cards, and they had this card available. So let's go ahead and get started. I have an overview camera right here. So we have on the box, we have just obviously the card on the front, and then we have the SUPRIM X, which is spelt weird, SUPRIM with an IM instead of like, you know, how it typically would be spelled. It's a nice big box, and you just open it up like this. And of course we have our MSI packet. So in the packet, we're gonna get, see what's in here. Seems like it comes with a lot of stuff, so it's kind of overkill for size. So you get like a comic, how to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card. It's a comic, that's kind of cool. That is really unique. I like this. I'll have to read this later, but that's pretty cool. And the colors on this thing, those are pretty sweet. Let me move it out of the way so you guys can still see it. Wow, I'm gonna have to look at the, I'm gonna have to dive deeper into this, but that's pretty cool. And then you get the installation guide, like a non-cool looking one. And then we get, what else do we get? Just kind of advertising. We get this product was made with great passion. We hope you enjoy it. Register it. This is a registration card. And then we of course get our quick user's guide. Okay. And then you get a nice foam packaging. So let's pop that out. There's actually a little lift thing right here. They can just use to pop it out. I didn't use it. Comes with a mouse pad. That's kind of cool. Nice plastic. Okay. And then let's see what's in here. So let's pull out this. Wait, what is this? I imagine this, and this right here are. This has to be a. No, I'm not really sure what this is. Is this a? This must be a GPU Anti-Sag Bracket. That's what I imagine it is. Not really sure how this would work though. Would you? I think you'd put it like this, and then you would take this part. You'd slide it down like that, like so. I don't know how well you guys can see this. And then you would tighten this. So then wherever you would want that to be. And then your GPU would like hang out right here, I imagine. Because this is a pretty huge card. So let's move that out of the way. All right, so let's pop out the card. Oh God. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. This thing is huge. Okay, let me move this box out of the way. All right, let's get this down here. This card is heavy. Holy smokes. Let's see if I can get a good view of this. This thing is absolutely massive. Oh my gosh. This is definitely, has to be a triple slot. I don't think I've ever had a triple slot. I don't think I've ever had a triple slot graphics card before. Let me, come on, pull this. And I'm pretty sure this is one of MSI's better cards, like their higher end. I think it is their highest end GPU. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's one of their higher end ones. Wow, I don't think I've never had a graphics card this heavy before. Holy smokes, this thing is massive. So like, just for like, hold on one second. Let me grab my graphics card from here. I quickly grabbed the 1660 Super Gaming X version from my test bench just to compare size wise. Again, this is 1660 Super, so like lengthwise, let me see if I can get a better let's see if I can get more light on this thing. So size wise, you're looking at, I mean, this is definitely a triple slot card. This thing is absolutely massive. Size wise, let me see if I have hold on. Ooh, yikes. Okay, so you're looking at like 2 1/4 versus this one, which is like 1 3/4. That's pretty thick wise. That's crazy. Like length wise, you're looking at about 14 inches and about 10.5. This is just a dual fan version for the 1660 Super, and this is a full on mammoth of a card. It's heavy. It feels really nice and premium. I mean, it's pretty sweet looking. This right, you can tell right here, there's like RGB it's gonna have. And this heatsink is just absolutely crazy. This is a, wow, this is a triple 8-pin connector it has. Yeah, there you can see it. So triple 8-pin is what we're getting here. Just to give you guys an idea of what this thing looks like. This thing's nice and sturdy. This is huge. This thing is the biggest graphics card I've ever held in my hands. Pre-Max, the back of it is pretty sweet looking. You have a silent mode, you have a gaming mode. That's kind of cool too. So let's see what else is on here. So silent mode, gaming mode, like I just mentioned. You have your 8 pins. You have what looks like to be RGB. Nothing on this side, really. Massive heat sinks. And then you have triple display port, and you also have HDMI. So that's kind of cool. So it's a pretty nice chunky card. And yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna go any further than this. This is just the basic unboxing for this. If you guys wanna see more details, I wasn't sure if I was gonna benchmark this or not, but if you wanna see like the performance of these cards, let me know. So my idea on performance isn't like, you know, match this up with one of the best CPUs possible. I was considering, if you guys wanna see it, matching it up with the i5-10400F, which in my opinion is the best budget CPU on the market right now. And then I wanted to compare it with the 3600. And then I was also thinking about comparing it with the 1600AF. Obviously, some of these cards or some of these chips are going to bottleneck this card, like 100% going to bottleneck this. But if you guys want to see performance with those chips along with like the 3900X, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely make a video for that. So yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see unboxed. If you guys like these unboxings, let me know in the comments below as well. Again, it's just a kind of a test. I think I'm gonna do one for my ASRock B560 Pro 4 motherboard that's coming in for one of my builds. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that unboxing. Again, it's just gonna be more of this kind of casual style video, just unboxing different products so you guys can see what they are all about. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, then thumbs it down. Subscribe if you guys want some more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.